The bird is in the box. The bird is on the box. The bird is above the box. The bird is below the box. The bird is near the box. The bird is next to the box. The bird is in front of the box. The bird is behind the box. The bird is under the box. The bird is between the boxes. Where is the clock? It is on the table. It is on the table. Where is the old man? He's near the tree. He's near the tree. Where is the fireplace? It is below the mirror. It is below the mirror. Where is the cat? It is next to the chair. It is next to the chair. Where is the teddy bear? It is on the bed. It is on the bed. Where is the tree? It is behind the school. It is behind the school. Where is the dog? It is under the table. It is under the table. Where is the passport? It is in the suitcase. It is in the suitcase. Where is the butterfly? It is above the cat. It is above the cat. Where is the vase? It is between the chairs. It is between the chairs. Where is the apple? It is in front of the basket. It is in front of the basket. Where is the guitar? It is behind the sofa. It is behind the sofa.